Shellfish can be a bit of a controversial topic in pregnancy. Some people will tell you it's packed with nutrients and perfectly safe, while others will warn you to steer clear. So, what's the truth? Can you actually eat shellfish while you're pregnant? Well, stay tuned and let's clear it up. Hello, I'm Melanie McGrice, a prenatal dietitian, and my passion is helping women nourish themselves and their babies during pregnancy. If you'd like practical, evidence-based advice for a healthy pregnancy, make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss my weekly tips. Now, let's talk shellfish. The first thing to say is that shellfish can be a really nutritious choice. Prawns, crab, mussels, scallops, oysters and other shellfish are not only delicious, but are rich in protein, iodine, zinc, selenium and omega-3s, which all support your baby's growth and development. So nutritionally, shellfish definitely has something to offer. But, and this is the important part, not all shellfish are safe in pregnancy. The biggest concern is food safety. Raw or undercooked shellfish can carry harmful bacteria and viruses that can make you sick, and in pregnancy your immune system is naturally a little weaker, so you're more vulnerable to food poisoning. Infections such as listeria or novavirus can be serious for both mama and baby, and that's why the recommendation is to avoid raw shellfish altogether while you're pregnant. So that means no oysters of the half shell, no sashimi or prawns, unless they have been thoroughly cooked. But when shellfish is cooked properly, it can absolutely be on the menu. Cooking shellfish until it's steaming hot kills off harmful bacteria and viruses, making it safe to eat. So think prawn stir fries, mussels in tomato broth, or crab tossed through pasta. Just make sure that they're cooked all the way through. If you're buying shellfish from a supermarket, restaurant or market, it's also best to choose places with high food safety standards and eat it while it's hot, not hot and then cooled again. It needs to be boiling hot when you're eating it. So another consideration is mercury. Shellfish generally tends to be lower in mercury than some larger fish, which is great news. However, it's still a good idea to vary your seafood choices and not rely on shellfish alone as your only source. Mixing it up with salmon, sardines or trout will give you a broader range of nutrients while keeping mercury levels low. So, what's the bottom line? Yes, you can eat shellfish while pregnant, but only if it's cooked properly. Avoid raw shellfish completely, stick to trusted sources and enjoy it hot. That way you'll get the nutritional benefits without the risks. Now, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favourite pregnancy safe seafood dish is. And if you'd like more tailored advice, you'll find a link in the description box to book a consultation with our team of prenatal dietitians. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode. Rolling and scrolling.